Welcome to this introduction to using Peabody's core housing system, NEC Housing. This course will help you get started using NEC. So we'll look at what we use it for, how to navigate and find your way around the system, how to search for information you need, how records are structured, and some basic concepts about how NEC works. NEC is a huge system, and this course is just an introduction. Details of business processes are covered in functional user guides and specific guidance for your team. This course has a mixture of activities, videos where we'll look at how the system works, text to read, and some interactive activities. There's a knowledge check at the end of each lesson, just to help you remember key points, and a quiz at the end just to make sure you've learned what you need to. But don't think of this course as a test. This is a learning resource meant to help you in getting familiar with NEC. Take it a lesson at a time if you need to, and practice what you've learned by exploring the live system. That way you're much more likely to embed those skills. And come back and repeat any lessons if you need to refresh your memory. Good luck with this course, and I really hope you find it useful.